I have another quick update for you guys in this video. Now you guys know I've already had HKS blow valves on this car, SSQVs for anyone who's wondering what model. So this is the Z1 kit. Pretty much I just hit my head on the hood. And again, so what I'm going to be doing is just putting the blow valves back on. The install is pretty simple. You have a T-coupler that goes on each side. And here's what the OEM hose looks like. You take that off, split up into a T, that's where the blow valve goes. Then you plug in your vacuum line to the back of the manifold. So I'll briefly be showing that. I've had this on for months before, so we're just putting it back on. Now I just got to do that side, and same process. Once I get those two in line together, I'm going to come over here, put my blow valves in, plug in the vacuum lines. It shouldn't be a hard install. I mean, the instructions Z1 provides are pretty straightforward, but let's get this install going because I like to hear them again. So yep, here we have the driver's side fully in. Just needs the vacuum hose, boost reference, vacuum hose, whatever you guys want to call them. And here's the passenger side. Just got to clamp it up, make some minor adjustments, and put the intercooler bolts back down. And that should be it. So I know a lot of this stuff might seem a little bit redundant, but guys, it's just a matter of me going back to putting my parts back on the car. So feel free to browse any of my old videos if you're looking for DIYs. That's why I'm kind of rushing through these. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, now we got both sides tightened up. I already started running the vacuum line. So to work a little bit more comfortable in this area, I removed that plastic piece here. I was going to try to remove this. I just thought it was too much work considering that I have a small enough hand that I can get it in there. So my vacuum line was ran back here to a T. It just pretty much, you take this off of the car and you put in two lines connected to a T, and you run one to the front and then another T to both sides of the blow-up valve. So it's pretty simple install. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up in here and let's test them out. Just like that, guys, we made more progress today. The blow-up valves are installed. You guys can show you here the install. It looks pretty clean for the most part, just like it was last time, except I try to tuck in the airline a little bit cleaner this time, so it's not too visible. Other than that, the only thing you can really see back here is the split off back there, and I just hit my head on this damn hood again. It's like the third time in this video, but they're all secure. Both blow valves are secure. They're not going anywhere. So I think next what we have to do is, like I said, mentioned in that last video, is that silly bolt that's rounded off that's holding the drive shaft from coming off, and that bolt that I can't get off that's holding the bracket to the driver's side lower downpipe. So once those two things come off, we'll be able to get back to where we were and then finally retune. So other than that, this is the progress you guys are getting for right now. It's like a Saturday. I'm going to try and enjoy the rest of my day. You guys have a wonderful weekend. Thank you so much for supporting my videos. Stay tuned and subscribe.